What's up, guys? Back to another video. Today I'll be playing Hi Pickle. I actually don't know what I should play right now. I'm kind of into slime because I've gotten so much better. Like, I might not be as good as Righteous MC. I don't even know if you guys will know him yet, but still. Yeah, yeah. Oh, should I play Assassins? I got so much better than last video. Yeah. Okay, this is like the same day I'm recording this. This might be like the next day I'm gonna upload, but I think I'm gonna do half Assassin. Okay. Got this. Okay, so this is like literally the same day. I think I got like so much more kills. Like literally, yeah, I won like 1,000,000 games from the past. Wow, I'm bad at parkour. But, okay, so now I know like how to play. This is the strategy. You hide, you put it on 4, and you look at who's your. You go for Aaron, and then you like go around and kill Aaron. And see, Aaron's right there. Oh, rip me. What? Okay, rip that. No, that was all part of my plan. Yeah, you guys will see because I hated that map. So like, I don't want to play this map. I want to get out of here. This desert is so big. I'm out. Please, hit that cactus. Yes, lag, help me. I love lag. Wait, do I? Savage. Okay, Nick. Hello, Nick. Oh, it would be so good to be Nick. Everyone's like kind of dressed like Nick. Where am I? I'm Tina. I think no, it's not really. She's like Tanina. What? Flip. Okay, rip. Sam. What's that Sam? No, it's not Sam. I swear I saw Sam just then. Yes. Ease kill. Okay. Bruce. Hello, Bruce. Yes. Okay. Connor. Wait, what? Bobby. I'm coming for you, Bobby. I'm coming for you. Bobby is so dead. Pray. I think you always get something bad from this. I swear. You always get something bad from that. Legit, get something bad from her all the time. Rigged. They should add like there's a small chance of it being good things, you know, like something good for once. I'm Nick. Oh no, yeah, I'm Nick. Aaron again. Aaron's all this little noob, like encoded poo. I don't know. Oh yeah, and I found out that the screen goes red when you're close to your assassin. Josh. So like, if your screen's like glowing like red, you should watch out who's next to you, cause you might want to stab them, you know. Yeah. Rapid trans. Whoa. Okay. Okay. That's not my assassin. Okay, that's my assassin. See, like the screen kind of turned red. See, yeah, I know. Pretty lit, right? Yeah. Find out weird things. I'm Ben. Yeah, I like Ben. At least I'm a boy now. Oh. Okay. Damn it. Okay. Okay, please. Wow, savage. Okay. Aaron, right there too. Like, bro. Lol, rip him. Lol, 2 kills. Connor. So funny. Both. Okay. Oh wait. Oh crap. I didn't even know. Oh wow. I didn't mean to hit her. Yes. What? What is this sign? It's so annoying, but I can't start a new game. Okay. 2 more rounds, and I'm gonna go catch slime. Play like 2 games, 3 games of slime. Like, but those games will probably be me winning. That's why it's gonna be like 2 or 3. Come on, at least. Okay, if I win, I'm gonna go on to the next game. Okay, so if I win any game, like first game in slime, no, at least second. Ben, okay. Oh, okay, my eyes are weird. Ben. Oh, I'm not going there. I can't parkour that. Sweetly, no. Huh, lol, whip him. Bobby. So this kid. Why was she running in my face? Stop. I'm a girl now, yeah. I'm Robbie no thingy. Bobby, come on, little Bobby. Bobby, where are you? Aaron's dead. On the ground. Okay. Oh wow. Flip, dude. Flip. Bobby's up there. Oh, flip. Well, why did I do that? Get one. Nah, still 2 more games. Unless I win. Yeah, I hate this map. I'm probably gonna win this map. I love the Gold Rush map. It's lit as. Like literally, someone's trying to do the archery thing. Like I think there's a button and then the door opens. And like, oh wait, is this a impossible jump? Danny? Is that you, Danny? That's not you, Danny. Okay. Wow. Nice. Isn't that just great? Okay. Oh, same map. Flip. Okay. I think I am. It's gonna be hard. I think I am Eli. Yeah, I'm Eli. Eli for the win. No one would murder a girl, would they? Messed up. Okay. Let's go 4. Oh, Nyx. My assassin's so close right now. Okay, that's my assassin. Okay, I know who's my assassin now. Nick, I swear. Okay, it's her right there. Okay. She's out of the way. Lol, what's spelling mistakes? Nick. I swear that could be my assassin. Why would you? Okay, no, that's Nick. Nicholas. Mr. Nicholas, where are you? Nicky Poo. Where are you, Nicky Poo? Okay, I'm going red. Really red right now. And I don't like it! Okay, whew. That was close. Okay, Nick, where are you? Seriously. Come on, I'm some little girl. Okay, gentlemen. Nicky Poo, come on, dude. It said all play Shannon minimap. What a scam! Come on, dude. Where's Nicky Poo? Come on, Nicky Poo, seriously. It's not fun to hide. Nicky Poo. Only 2 minutes left. Okay, that's like the last one, anyway. Like, it could be a draw, I don't mind. Hello, Nicky Poo? Got 1 bow shot? Nicky Poo, come on, where's this kid? Seriously, where's this kid? I see him. Bobby. Bob's my assassin. Why are you lagging, Bobby? Oh, wait, what? Okay, that makes a lot of sense. I hate you, Bobby. Huh? Come on, where's Nicky? I swear, Nick. Oh yeah, we're both on a venture to find Nick. Nicky. Actually, where's Nick though? Okay, I'm going red. I see him. Oh, flip! Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go skywars. I did better. Like, look, I got like 6 wins, but not that bad. Wait, is it bad? I don't know. 6 wins and like 11 kills. Oh yeah, once I was the first time I played on that weird map where you can pray to the god thingy. Um, I was literally just like doing the whole time. I always got something bad, like the spam. I got spiders, blindness, slowness. Never something good. And then like I literally won. I was like, oh, please come on, give me something good. Give me something good. And then like I just won. I was like, okay, that's good. Lol. Okay, Nicky Poo. Nicky Poo. I hate Nicky Poo now. Give me a good sword. Oh, I did that. Oh yes. Yes, slime launches. I built that fire. Nope. Any luck? Nope. No luck for you, kid. No luck for you. Yeah, you better leave. Yeah, you better leave. Oh yeah. Oh, lol, I killed him. I feel sorry for him now. Okay, let's go mid, please. I believe. Okay, that was not bad. I'm just not gonna interfere with that. Oh yes, what I wanted. All part of my mass plan. Please, go, leave! Oh, litness. Litness is in me. What? Kid. Bye! Rip him. Oh, I used all my slime launches. Oh, oh, oh. He's scared now, isn't he? Isn't he just scared? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Piss off. Oh, wow. Nice, kid. Nice. No luck. No luck. Whoa. Whoa, this is actually getting out of hand. What was that? I was getting thrown around. Bruh, what is this? What is this? Um, no wonder no one wants to play. Oh, he wants to play on this map. There's like a million slimes. So I've got a screenshot. Flip. Okay. So many slimes. But okay. Screenshot 3, 2, 1, go. The slimes are real, bro. The screenshots help me make thumbnails. I'm probably just gonna make that my thumbnail. Like, I'm really not bothered. And I'm not bothered to make like join another whole game. Like another whole game. Like, don't know how hard it is just to join a game. Like, and I have to join a whole new game. Like, she got killed by the slime. This is hilarious. Okay, please just leave me alone. So many people getting killed by slimes. Flip, dude. Flip. What the flip? I might even get killed by slime. Okay, this is getting out of hand. Okay, I would love to leave right now. Flip. Flip! Block clutch. Slime! What is this? Slime. Like, it killed like 4 people. Flip. Flip! Why is this? Like, these maps are like infested by these small little creatures. Okay, I got this. I'm gonna win this. Hardcore winning, you know? Why didn't I take that? Nope. Dude. I have to get this. Okay, I'm gonna go to mid. I'm going to mid. Actually, maybe not. I don't really need them mid chests. I really do only need slime launches because they're OP. Damn it, none. Wasted all my time for nothing. Bro, what is this? Whoa, kiddo. I see what you've been trying to do, kid. Yes. Just kill him. Yes, come on. No. He died. Oh yes, thank you so very much. Thank you so very much, little kid. Oh, thank you so much. Lit dabs. That guy just fell. Nope, he didn't. Bye. Bye. What was that? Okay, I was really concentrating. I couldn't talk. Concentrated hard on that battle. Turned out sad. Okay, this is gonna be the last game. LOL. Okay, last game. Come on, bring me them luck. Oh, nice stuff already. I really shouldn't have wasted that slime launcher. Last game. Those slime launchers are precious. Oh, damn it, someone's there already. Stupid little Russian kid. Wanna taste a bit of me? What's this kid? Wow, okay, that's so obnoxious. Oh, I almost killed him. Oh, come on. Yes, nope. Wait. Maybe, yes, nope. Maybe, nope. Whoa, slimes, chill. Okay, and nope. There's nothing left. It's okay. Oh, I think I ran around the whole circle. This has to be, yeah. Okay, rip this out. Whoa, she has slime ball, bro. Oh, rip. Okay, that is a bad game. I won't count that as a game. Another game. Okay, this is gonna be proper last game. Are you joking? Okay, that is why you be good at skywars. Yeah, like some people. Okay, washes. I have feeling for that. Keep an eye. This kid's too slow for my liking. Way too slow. Nah, I don't like slow people. Concentrating hard. Concentrating. Oh, she has them lit balls, bro. Lit slime ball. Yes. Nope. Oh, yes. Oh, get shit, kid. Oh, get shit. Feel salty? Yeah. Very feel salty. Nothing. Oh, savage. Please. I hope no one knows about. Actually, though, no one knew about this place in the whole game. Nope. Not even you are gonna destroy my dreams. Nope. Not anyone. Not anyone's gonna destroy my dreams. Oh crap! Yep, that kid might destroy my dreams. Oh, I just got that notebook slime. Wait. Okay, guys. Oh, what happened? What's going on? Okay, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Um. Yeah, just do it. Just leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, tell a friend, tell them to like and subscribe, even though they don't like Minecraft and don't watch my videos. Tell them to do it, cause you know, just do it. Bye.